Hello, tutor. My name is John Eduardo Montoya. I am married. I am father of the three girls. I am 34 years old. I am production assistant in Compañía Calais Soya. I am studying for engineering at UNAM. I live in of Buga, Cauca, Valle, Colombia. In my free time, I like to the readers the bicycle and also go for a while with my family. My city is small, very pleasant and religious. There is an lighthouse representing the Pacific Ocean, and my apartment with excellent gastronomy. The main tourist place in are the Basilica of the Lord of Miracles, also Guadalajara River with as many tourists. Resource the typical food in my city is the chorado and chicken sancocho. As it is a religious city, its main celebration the Holy Week. In my city, I can feel the abundance and the love for Jesus Christ, and then with a bit of spiritual tranquility, enjoy the sparse and the delicious sancocho of gallina and my city. Thank you.